Mind mapping is a powerful tool that can be used for studying. It involves creating a visual representation of information, which allows you to see connections and relationships between different concepts. This makes it easier to remember information and to understand complex topics. There are many different ways to create a mind map, but the basic idea is to start with a central concept and then branch out into related ideas. You can use colors, symbols, and images to make your mind maps more visually appealing and memorable. One of the key benefits of mind mapping for studying is that it helps you to organize information in a way that makes sense to you. When you create a mind map, you are essentially creating a personalized study guide that is tailored to your learning style and needs. Another benefit of mind mapping is that it can help you to see connections between different concepts that you might not have noticed otherwise. This can be especially helpful when studying complex topics or trying to remember large amounts of information. To create a mind map, start by writing down the central concept or topic that you want to study in the center of a blank page. Then, branch out from that central idea by writing down related ideas and concepts on separate lines that radiate out from the center. As you add more ideas to your mind map, use colors, symbols, and images to make it more visually appealing and memorable. You can also use arrows and lines to show connections between different ideas. When using mind maps for studying, it's important to keep them focused and organized. Try to limit each branch to a single concept or idea, and use clear and concise language to describe each one. You should also try to review your mind maps regularly to reinforce the connections between different concepts and to keep the information fresh in your mind. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, symbols, and layouts to find what works best for you. There are many different ways to create mind maps for studying, depending on your learning style and the type of information you're trying to remember. Here are a few examples. 1. A mind map for studying history might include a central concept like World War II, with branches leading out to different battles, leaders, and events. Each branch could include images and symbols to help you remember key details. 2. A mind map for studying biology might include a central concept like the human body, with branches leading out to different organ systems, functions, and structures. Each branch could include diagrams and illustrations to help you visualize the information. 3. A mind map for studying literature might include a central concept like Shakespeare, with branches leading out to different plays, characters, and themes. Each branch could include quotes and images to help you remember key details and connections. Mind mapping is a powerful tool that can be used for studying. By creating a visual representation of information, you can organize your thoughts and ideas in a way that makes sense to you. This can help you to remember information more easily and to understand complex topics. Whether you're studying history, biology, literature, or any other subject, mind mapping can be a valuable tool to add to your study routine. With a little practice and experimentation, you can create mind maps that are tailored to your learning style and needs, and that help you to achieve your academic goals. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.